We are here at IndiaWood 2026, experiencing the first day of the event with Felder. Here we have Mr. Krutik Mistry, the director of Felder Group India. So, sir, how's the event going?
It's just the first day, but as you can see, we already are expecting a big crowd, and they have started coming in. As always, IndiaWood has been a pivotal point. Every time we come to a show, we expect a lot, and it always delivers.
What's the new thing that you have brought for the industry, and how do you see it as the most effective ones?
For sure, we bring at every IndiaWood a few new products that are specific for our Indian customers. And this time around, we have the most talked about panel saw right at an affordable price at the entry level. It's called the Hammer K430. You should come and experience it. It's something where we're giving a really high quality machine coming at a really competitive price for our Indian customers. Apart from that, we also have a unique product. It's called the Fine Brush 953. It's specifically for finishing surfaces of panels which are not flat. So in the market, we will have a lot of machines that you will see where you're able to finish or sand a flat surface. But here you can also do, raised panels, louvers, frames. So this is a special machine. Also something that is unique. Not too many people on the show will offer this, and we come with it at a really special price. So that is a product also that you should look out. We will send you some samples for you to have a look at it.
So how do you measure the effectiveness of the show, especially when it comes to India?
For us, like I said, IndiaWood is always big, not only in terms of showcasing what we have as a product, but also at the same time, it helps us to connect with our customers. So a simple measure for us is the more customers that come to us and experience our products, it shows us that it's more successful. In other words, if all the tables in the seating area are full, all the meeting rooms are full, all the machines are busy with customers, that means it's a success. But all in all, yes, we do look at it as how many new customers we receive, how many customers have come back to us.
What are the most recent innovations you are focusing on, and how do you reflect them on the current industry trends?
So, Felder is celebrating their 70th year. This is our 70th anniversary. So, we're focusing not only on our products from the Felder range, which are classic machines, which are typically used in every factory, but also the industrial grade and Industry 4.0. So, that is what we focus on as far as this show and moving forward. Preparing and bringing together the classic machines together with Industry 4.0.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.